What's up, guys? Today we're going to talk about things that you need to do in 2023 to be successful. So if you guys want to use real estate investing, right, I'm going to go over some key 5 points that you need to be paying attention to and doing so you guys can have some success in the new year. Let's talk about it. What's up, guys? Today I want to talk about what you guys should do before buying a home in 2023. The new year is coming up, opportunity is going up, and we want to know how to take advantage of this new season that we're in. Let's get into it, guys. First things first is you need to know what your goals are in the new year, okay? In real estate investing, we can make money by flipping property, okay? By getting assignments and fees. We can make money on refinances, and we can also make money creatively by doing creative transactions like lending or selling on terms, okay? You need to know exactly what you're looking for, okay? You need to know exactly what kind of income you want to add, to your portfolio, okay? Secondly, you need to start reaching out to banks. You need to start reaching out to people and get as many sources of cash as possible. Now, this is important because in the new year, there's gonna be a decline in home purchases. Okay, there's going to be a decline in home purchases, at least a perceived decline. Now, investors should be buying during the decline because we want to buy when it's low and then sell when it's high. But the only people who will be able to buy are the people who have access to cash. You don't necessarily need your cash. You just need to have maybe a bank's money. You need to have some pre-approval money. You need to have a private money guy. You need some hard money guys in your pocket. So when those opportunities come up, you can be ready to perform on them. Okay. Number 3, you need to know your numbers. Okay. If you guys are doing BRRRRs, buy, renovates, rehabs, rent them, and then repeat, then you need to make sure you're doing your numbers on 65% loan to value. No longer are banks doing refis on 80%, 75%, 65%. You need to do your numbers on 65% loan to value. Now, I stress that you do that on your flips as well. Your flips need to be nicer than they did before. Like in the last 3 years, we can pretty much put up anything and it would sell for the highest price possible. But now we actually might have to put a lot of intention into some of the details, a lot of the caulking, all the big systems, or even stage the properties so you guys can get the best emotions out of the buyer so your properties can sell quicker and for more. Okay, and then lastly, you need to have some actual cash buyers in your pocket. The person who has the most relationship, the most buyers in this market will succeed, okay, will succeed. Because at the end of the day, if it doesn't work for you as a flip, for a rental, or for a terms deal, you need to be able to control that deal by locking it up so that way you can sell it and still make money and you didn't lose out on any opportunity that you could have gained and got some money in your pocket, okay? So look, if you guys are getting into the market in 2023, it's gonna be a fun one. Send me deals at acquisitions@buytriedhomes.com. And just over here, I'm gonna link this video talking about how we're buying property by taking over mortgages and having the sellers take their profits over time in payments. See you guys on the next one. Peace.